How are you doing? I look like a mad woman, right? Yeah, so today I'm going to be blow drying and curling my hair. I feel like I've not been doing much with my natural hair lately. It's either I'm on wig or braids. If I'm not on braids, I'm on wig. If I'm not on wig, I'm on braids, okay? I really miss the days of washing your hair, blow drying it, and then using these bendy rollers to just make some curls in your hair and just letting it down and enjoying your natural hair, right? So I've just washed my hair. It has already dried. Okay, I'm going to put leave-in conditioner, and I normally use this one from Mega Growth. Can you see it? I also use this Garnier hair food. Mega Growth on my hair. And part of the reason why I don't get to do much with my hair is just because of time. Between going to work, doing school runs, school drop off and pick up, cooking, cleaning, and every other thing in between, man, when is the time to sit down and actually style your hair or curl your hair? And you know the thing with curling your hair, you have to try and maintain the curls because it's not something that you want to be doing every day, right? But let's see, let me try and do it today. The only thing outside I normally do apart from braids and wig is ponytail. Yeah, I do a lot of ponytails. Whenever I take out my braids, if I don't feel like wearing wig, I'll just do ponytails. And that thing I really miss is going to the salon, just sitting down and having someone take proper care of your hair, right? That's something I really miss. I can't remember the last time I went to a salon. I'm sure it's been like nothing less than 5 years. I've not been to a salon since I came to this country because the price, it choke. There was this time I wanted to go to the salon to get silk press. When I checked the price, I think I saw $350. And then I checked another one was like $450. I'm like, wow. But I think I'll eventually get it done. I've never had a silk press, professional silk press done on my hair. So one of these days, I'll just go to the salon, sit down and have them silk press my hair. I really miss salon visits. So since I'm going to be applying a lot of heat on my hair today, blow drying, straightening and curling, I think it only makes sense that I put some heat protectant spray on my hair. So this is the one I'll be using, just a random buy from Woolies. I'm just going to spray that on my hair. Spray, spray, spray. Okay, time to blow dry. My hair actually needs trimming. Like, my hair needs serious trimming. Look at the ends. But that's one thing I'm not sure if I can do by myself. This one I need to go to a professional hairstylist to trim my hair for me. Okay, blow drying is all done. That's step 1. Step 2, I want to straighten it, but instead of using flat iron, I'll be using this straightening brush that I got from KMART. If it doesn't work, I'll just go and use my flat iron. So So I sectioned my hair into 2 parts so that I'll be able to tell if this straightening brush works or not, and I think it works because look at the part that I've straightened, and this is the part that I haven't straightened, so I think it works. Okay, step 2 is done, and step 3 is to start curling the hair, and I'll also be using this rotating hair curler. I also got it from KMART. Okay, I think I need to spray another heat protectant spray on my hair.
God have mercy upon us.